Hello dear friends, we have seen the article a and an and their use in the sentences where we can omit this a and an article. We have seen that also. Now we are going to see where the article can be used. In my previous lecture, we have taken some idea of using the article the. The is not used before such nouns as heaven, hell, fate, nature, providence, God, etc. Before these words, you cannot use the article. For example, Wordsworth loved nature. In this sentence, the is not used before nature word. In another example, fate plays important role in life. This is another example. Before fate word, the article is not used. So, remember that before heaven, hell, fate, nature, providence and God, you cannot use the definite article the. The article is used before nouns which are particular and known. Means the noun must be a particular one and that should be known to you. It is used before both a singular and a plural noun. Before singular and plural noun, but that noun must be particular and known to you. For example, the boys in my class are clever. Boys is the word used here in plural form. And the boys means the boys belongs to the particular class and known to you. That's why the article before the boys is used here. Another example, the king was kind and noble. The king means particular king and you know that king. That's why the article before the king is used. Then the article is used before countable and uncountable noun. Already we have seen particular and known noun. Now it is a countable and uncountable noun. Means the book of Milton is not available in the market. Here the article is used before the word book of Milton. Once again it is a particular book which is not available in the market. Is the example where the article is used before the word book. Then the article is used to represent a class of objects or species. Class of objects or species. For example, the man is a thinking animal. Man here is a class or species. And before that class or species word, the word indicating class or species, you have to use the article before the word. Another example is here, the poor have to suffer. Poor is a class. There are many classes in our society. Poor is among them. Poor, rich, middle class, upper middle class, lower class. So these are the classes in the society. If you want to refer this particular word indicating class, you have to use the word the before the class indicating word. Then the article is used before names of directions. Names of directions: south, north, west, east. These are direction indicating words. And before that, you have to use the article. Then the article is used before names of oceans and seas and rivers. The Pacific, this is the ocean. The Ganga, the Saraswati, the Krishna, the Yamuna. You have to use the article before the rivers, oceans and seas. Then it is used before the words indicating groups of islands. The West Indies, the Maldives, the group of islands. West Indies is a group of island. Maldives is also the group of island. Then before the names of newspapers, the Times of India, the Pudhari, the Maharashtra Times, the Lok Satta, the Tarun Bharat, etc. If there is a name of newspaper, you have to use the article before the title of the newspaper. Then the article is used before historical places. The Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Raigad. Then it is used before well-known books also. The Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. These are well-known books. You have to use the article before these well-known books. Then the article is used before countries and states. The United States, the Punjab. Then it is used before ordinal numbers, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. The article is used before government offices and banks. The State Bank of India, the Maharashtra Bank, the Council Hall. Then it is used before universal things. The sky, the sun, the moon, the earth, universal things, that is, the thing is only one in the world, that is called universal thing. Before that universal thing, you have to use the article. Before superlative adjectives, superlative. You know positive, comparative and superlative degrees. If you want to use superlative adjective, you have to use the article before that adjective. For example, the best, the highest, the greatest. Then the article is used before specific places and professions. Specific places: the garden, the hospital, the doctor, the teacher. Then it is used before proper noun used for comparison. Proper noun used for comparison. For example, Mahabaleshwar is the Ooty of Maharashtra. Ooty is a proper noun, but it is used to compare Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra, and that's why the word before proper noun Ooty is used in this example. Surdas was the Milton of India. Milton is a noun, proper noun. But this proper noun is used with article the because it is compared with Surdas. Then the is used before abstract or material noun converted into common noun. Means it is already abstract or material noun, but it is converted into common noun. So you have to use the article before such nouns. The beauty of the Taj Mahal, the water of the sea, the wheat of the Punjab. Abstract and material noun is there. Punjab and Taj Mahal and wheat and water and sea. But these nouns are converted into common noun, and that's why the article is used here before these words. Thank you.